In terms of what to expect when you work with you, I mean, from the whole process, like how does it work? Like what's the team like? What are some of the steps to get people to feel comfortable?
So we start our process with a really intense onboarding. And I always say, like, don't come try us for 1 or 2 months. You're not going to get the full experience. I would say personally, like, it takes at least 12 to 18 months to really have us integrate. And again, not everyone's looking for that. Some people are looking for just four things done a month, and that's good enough for them. So we go through an intense onboarding, and by intense I mean we get them on the phone as much as we possibly can. We try to sort of get as much information out of them as we can, and we just get started, and then we just ask more and more questions as we go along. And oftentimes we try to work with the client and at their pace as well, because I know this can be overwhelming. Like most of our clients are exhausted by the time they get to us. Sometimes they have health issues and they're like, I just have to. I don't have enough, like I'm getting too stressed out, or they have now they have to go on certain kinds of diets because their body's affected because they just don't have enough time. Sometimes it's exhaustion, sometimes it's just totally just, they just want it. But we do that onboarding, and then as time goes along, we get to know them, and we have a system on our back end where we track everything. So if we've had a client for a couple of years, we already know your nephew's birthday's on this day. We send a reminder 6 weeks before, and they're like, oh yeah, that's coming up. Can you buy this? And sometimes we'll tell them like, hey, we bought your nephew this last year. Your budget was this. Do you want, something similar? And if we know them well enough, and again, if you've been with us for a few years, we'll say, hey, like, I think your nephew will like this. So over time, we know what they want and how they want it. But it usually takes a little bit of time and a little bit of trust. And there's
Yeah.
a total of 6 people here internally. And then we've got contractors all over the place. So if you need something picked up or dropped off, we're always there. We know people. We have errand runners in Miami. We've got sort of people everywhere. But the core team is here all the time to just talk to them, whoever needs it, and take their requests, and we document it. We always, it's important for us to know our clients to a level that they might not even want, because they're like, oh, I didn't know you could do it. But then once they find out, they're like, oh, thank God you knew that. Like,
Yeah, that's the
it's
goal
a,
for
it's
sure.
a sense of relief for them.